we can have the welcome address. Yes, good afternoon, one and all. I'm Gomati from K G Raddy College of Engineering. I'm the faculty coordinator for this faculty development program. So first of all, I want to welcome all the professors who are going to attend this, all these things. First, respected professors, today we all are gathered here for faculty development program conducted by our college, K G Raddy College of Engineering and Technology, Moinabad, Telangana, in our department, Computer Science, Engineering and Data Science. First of all, I welcome my beloved principal, Sir Dr. S. Sai Satyanarayana Reddy, who gave this learning environment for faculty growth in technical science. And I would like to welcome our Dean Academics, Dr. M.N. Narasaya, sir, for giving continuous support for us to achieve in technological development. And I would like to welcome our head of the department, Mr. Gobatan sir, who strive hard for the development of technical part, who took steps for collaborative learning environment with pencil bits through online mode for 5 days faculty development program. I would like to welcome the head of pencil bits, Mrs. Sankita ma'am, who is going to give the knowledge for providing additional technical support for the faculty development through online mode in the topic of application of data science and analytics. So I need all your presence, and especially I would like to welcome our esteemed teachers and faculty members who have taken the time to attend this faculty development program to share their expertise knowledge through a dedication and commitment to our education for genuinely appreciated, and we are grateful for this opportunity to have this knowledge. Thank you all for giving an opportunity for me. We have a perfect environment for this particular session. Thank you all. Ma'am,
Myself,
Arunmali ma'am.
yes, ma'am. Myself, Arulmuri, I'm a pencil bit event organizer. I take this time to invite our speaker, Dr. B. Gayatri ma'am is an terrible assistant professor of the computer science in Bishop Hub College. She has been inspired mind since 2008 with unrelenting passion of innovation. Dr. Gayatri ma'am has an dedicated to the career and unrelated complexity to our world through the research and explorations. Her groundbreak would work with the green cloud computing and fascinated with the way of suitable futures. A lifelong learner, Dr. Gayatri has been completed 49 online courses from the top platforms like Coursera, Udemy, SimpleLearn, and specified her expertise in the field. Her impressive academic portfolio is 198 paper presentation, 31 published journals, and 5 authored books, and 38 awards, including her prestigious Best Teaching Award from the former Governor Rosaya. Dr. Gayatri ma'am has influenced her extents and beyond the academic with the 175 seminars and conference and workshops attended in the editorial members of IJITRA in Oman, reviewer for the extended US journals like JENRS and ASTESJ. 17 filled and published patents, including 2 Indian patents and 1 UK patents and 1 copyrights. The short after, the consulted chief guest of our guests, 70 occasions, and leader Gayatri ma'am has organized 30 seminars and conference, had membership in 6 professional organization underscore with the committee of to be filled. But it not that Dr. Gayatri ma'am is also the poet and social workers and champion of innovations, inspiring at countless innovations with their mindful tech talented. Good morning, ma'am, and welcome you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Ma'am, very good afternoon, ma'am. Ma'am, before
Very
this,
good afternoon, sir.
Ms. Sir to give some talks about the FDP, motivation about the FDP. Sir, please, sir.
Yeah. Good morning, all. So I'm very happy to attend this FDP program conducted by Data Science and especially HOD Govardhan and all the faculty members and also the external participants. Welcome to K G Raddy College of Engineering and Technology, to the Department of Data Science. This college, I just gave a briefing about college in 2 minutes. This college is a 15 years old college. It is there in the state of Telangana, at the Hyderabad, located in Hyderabad, in Chilkur village. So this college is 15 years old college, and we have NAC accredited with A plus, and all the programs which are there in campus are MBA accredited programs. And also this is the autonomous. This is the fourth year in autonomous, and we're also having ISO 9001 2015 certified institution. And this autonomous college, and final year now in the complete full autonomous. And we have computer science and engineering with the 300 intake, and AML 180, 120, and data science 60, EC 60, and mechanical and civil 30 each. And we have PG program MBA. And this year we are going to start MTech VLSI for EC branch, and MTech computer science for the computer science department. So total almost intake is around 700 plus intake, and total in campus we have around 2,500 students. And out of 2,500 students, we have 1:15 ratio faculty. We have 149 faculty members, and 40 doctorates are there. And we have very good mixture of young and seniors in the college. And we also, apart from the regular education training programs, we are truly outcome-based education practitioners in the state of Telangana. And we have very good in infrastructure and set up for laboratories. Along with the regular teaching learning process, we do have very good outreach activities like social entrepreneurships. We have KGR socials and KGR entrepreneurship and innovation programs. And we have engineering education, complete separate department where we concentrate completely on engineering education and how to impart teaching methodologies and pedagogies and all these things in the teaching field. And also, we have very good research environment. We publish almost every year 250 papers. Almost every faculty will publish one or two minimum papers. Maybe some papers in the science SCI, some papers and mandatory in the Scopus. So when we got to 100 to 150 rank in the innovation NRF band also. Now we are aiming for the sustainable development goals in this year. Outreach activities are very good, and we are doing a lot of research activities, and we have exclusive innovation centers are there in our campus, and almost 50 students are training exclusively in the innovation and entrepreneurship, and some 3 year startup programs also there. So these are the some of the briefing about the college, and some of the developments and what we are doing to the our stakeholders, especially students community in the state of Telangana. We have and we are regular practices our FDPs in cutting edge technologies. So because of autonomous, we are including very good courses as electives in the data science and especially in AML, the cutting edge technologies, and we have been training, and certification courses are happening, and we have very good infrastructure, and of course placements are happening. Well, this is just briefing about the institution, and I'm very happy. Once again, I welcome all the participants to the FDP, and I think there's a good takeaway in this FDP, and very good learning should happen. I once again I congratulate the Department of Data Science and HOD and all the faculty members. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Wonderful support. Thank you, sir. Now the session will start by the speaker. Thank you.
Shall I take over, sir?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you. I welcome you all for this wonderful session. I thank God Almighty for giving us this wonderful day to share our knowledge. And I wish to extend my heartfelt thanks to the administration for giving me this wonderful opportunity to meet all the learned professors and scholars over here. And right now we can dwell into the topic. IoT in smart cities is the topic today. Organizers, is it possible to share the presentation? I have shared you. Hope I'm with you. Hope I'm with you. Could you please share my presentation? possible?
Govardhan? Yeah, yes. I think that.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yeah, thank you so much. Yeah, IoT data analytics for smart cities, what we are going to dwell into today. And I'll share some opening sentences before that. I want you all to welcome to the era of the interconnected cities, what we have today, where technology is going to meet the innovation. Why it means it's that to enhance our urban lives. That is the need of the earth, so we are into this. And also I just want you all to just have an imagination. Can we imagine a city where data is going to drive all our decision making, our efficiency, and our sustainability? The sustainability goals play an important role today by our government, according to the sustainability also. Today we will explore some IoT data analytics which is going to make this vision a reality one. And as we move towards the smarter future, we always speak about smarter things, smart learning, everything. So, a smarter future where IoT data analytics is going to play a vital role in transforming our urban landscapes. That is the IDG today. Um, Learned professors, we all know that by 2050, 70% of the world population, we are going to reside in the urban areas, uh, where the smart city solutions is going to be crucial. Hope you all agree with me. And the IoT market is also projected to reach 1.4 trillion by 2027, with smart cities, which is going to being a significant driver actually. Every day we generate how much of data? Approximately, with this minute we have a data of which is stating that 2.5 quintillion bytes of data is being generated, the report says. How can we harness this data so that to create a smarter cities? That is the again important thing we need to think about. As faculty members, we need to have an unique opportunity. We need a unique opportunity for what? To shape the future of urban development through our innovative teaching and research, I suppose. With this will be the idea, I suppose, and hope you all agree with me. I do. And also, the smart cities is not about just a technology. It is about we are improving the quality of life for our citizens where we all live, where we are, where we all live. We are trying to do that. And IoT data analytics is actually a key enabler of all the smart city initiatives we have. This is a key enabler, the data analytics IoT. And today we will be exploring its applications and also its benefits. And today we cover some more things which is called as the IoT data analytics framework, its applications in the smart cities, where it is being applied, and also the real world case studies. We can see some real world case studies where I have got the source from the internet. We can share it on, we can discuss it on, and we shall also discuss about the challenges and the opportunities in the IoT data analytics, and we can explore the emerging trends what we have right now. And I have a do not move on the presentation, just hold it. And we can also share some curious questions which I also have. How many of you have been experienced the benefit of smart city initiatives in your daily lives? We all will be experiencing, then and there we'll be experiencing, I hope. You can also share the benefits of smart city initiatives which you have been crossed upon in your daily life, so that others also will start researching on that particular area. I hope the scholars also will be benefited. And what are the challenges you all might think that cities face in adopting the IoT data analytics? We need to have the IoT data analytics. We all agree. But we need to face many challenges for this IoT data analytics. And we all are very curious about how this data analytics can improve the public services. That is also again an important thing. So let's dive into the world of IoT data analytics for smart cities, and we will explore the IoT data analytics framework and also its applications, and we can examine the benefits and the challenges of the IoT data analytics in smart cities. The average person, as an average person, we all, what is happening is that we all spend 90% of our time in indoors, the data report says. And how we are going to have the smart cities improve our experience both in indoor and outdoor, that is again an important topic we need to focus on. And smart cities, or it is not just a technology, we are about to create a sustainable, resilient, and livable communities actually. The smart cities, or why, what is the need for smart cities means, the report says that is smart cities are going to reduce the energy consumption, because energy consumption is directly related to the sustainable development goals. One of the goal we are talking about, it is going to reduce the energy consumption by 30 percentage. And water usage is again a threatening factor for us. And water usage by 20 percentage. Through our data driven management, this could be done. There is a possibility. The future of the cities is not just going to be about technology. It's not that, it's not the technology alone. It is going to be about a better quality of life what we are living. It is, has been given, this quote has been stated by the mayor of Barcelona. And the UN Habitat, they have stated another thing, that is the smart cities are not simply going to talk about the efficiency. It is also going to create a resilient community. And Cisco CEO, he has also quoted a thing called the Internet of Things, what we are now IoT. Is the backbone of the smart cities. When we need to have anything to be smart, we need to incorporate IoT in that. That is the scenario we have right now. So, going into the slide with this introduction, I hope. Go back to the previous slides, please. Can you help me with it? I need your help. Okay, application, yeah, previous slides. Previous slides will help me to move on with my presentation. Hope this is the starting. Applications of IoT data in smart cities. It is everywhere, and I have shortlisted. We talk about ITS, the intelligent transportation system. We talk about, when we talk about the transportation system, enormous things comes into existence actually, because transportation is a way of movement of people, movement of goods. Many things are there, and that we have many modes of transport also. So in that way, the ITS we have shortlisted in 3 points, where we have an enormous but still three. The traffic management, how we are going to manage it, and the route optimization, because to reach up a route we have many ways, but we need to go for the optimization. Optimization comes for many things actually. It leads about the number of people or the number of crossings we are going to have, the distance, the return of interest, ROI. We need to calculate everything. Everything comes into that regarding the route optimization and parking management. Whenever we take up or whenever we move around, parking management is again, we need to have the support of the smart cities for that. When we move around, when we step out, the parking management is again very difficult task we hope all will have come across. And number two, we talk about the smart energy management. Energy, as we have given an introduction, energy saving is going to be an important one where every citizen must take up in his hand actually. And again, we have shortlisted with three things here. Energy efficiency. Energy must be used, but how efficiently we are trying to use up in it. We talk about the data centers also. The data centers energy efficiency also. Many scholar they have given their ideas. Um, Data center efficiency is going to be very important. Though data reefs also is available. Data reefs comes under the ocean and other places, and several people has patented also the data reefs. It is again a novel idea where they come out with the data reefs they have patented. And renewable energy integration. Renewable energy is another one we need to explore more about it, where we need to integrate it with the existing and other stuff. We need to monitor it. And demand response. What we do with the, I'm still in that slide, not completed. So when we do with those energy management and other things, we need to talk about the energy response also. And next comes the public safety and security. So when we talk about public safety and security, IoT is going to help enormously in this. And right now we will be experiencing all these things in various levels. And then in many places, as we have engaged now from various places, many people would have been experienced in the many globes of your places. You would have been experienced this. Go back to the slide. So in that safety and the surveillance, we are ensuring the safety in many things what we have right now. We are ensuring safety in the public places. We are ensuring safety at a home level also. In many things, we are ensuring our safety. What, wherein we are, and how we can be ensuring our safety, and how to monitor and how to track it. In all the ways, we will be able to do it. So, for example, the for crime prediction, in whatever places any crime or anything is happening, they are trying to have the CCTV footages nowadays. So everywhere, it is, even in the road, in the signals, in the places where public gathers, everywhere we have this right now. So the crime prediction, for that we are using it, and for the emergency response systems also we are using this public safety and security for the data analytics in the smart cities. And next comes the very important thing nowadays, where the central government is focusing on the waste management and the clean India movement. Swachh Bharat, we have everywhere, which has been started long years back, and still we are working on it. We are trying to give an healthy atmosphere to all, that thereby which it has been carried on to the generations, our upcoming generations, to get a good atmosphere, which is need of the hour. So we talk about the waste management, and for that also this IoT data analytics is going to helpful in many ways. For the smart bins, we have the safety. For the waste management, we can talk about the smart bins where we are using everywhere. And the waste collection optimization, we it has been introduced in other countries long back, and in our places also we talk about the waste collection optimization. Then and there, when it is need to be collected and how it is going to be regenerated and how it is going to be degraded. We talk about all these things, and degradation, and for that we talk about the recycling management also, whether uh, what are all the waste which can be recycled in many ways. We have seen many products nowadays which has been got from the waste things, and we are trying to manage all those things. And the IoT data analytics framework, how it works, what is the framework, what is the brain, or what is the way how it is being working. We have some steps called data collection, data processing, data analysis, and I'm in the second slide actually talking about the data analytics and framework. So the data collection, data processing, data analysis, and data visualization. Whatever we talk, it is going to be about data. So first we need to collect the data. So data collection, how and all it could be done. What are all the ways the data could be collected? That means we can have sensors. Sensors can be implemented or incorporated then and there what we have. And we have some devices, and uh, as we are going to get the data from various sources, as we have mentioned here right now, through sensors, through devices, and we need the network again to gather all these data actually. We need to gather all these data so that I'm in the second slide. So we need to gather all these data uh, where we have got from the sensors, devices, and from many other things. And the examples, for example, what and all we can state is that we can state the traffic sensors, the energy meters, the environmental sensors. We can have all these things to say where we get all these data. From where we are going to get all these data, we can match it up. So, without the proper um, network, we will not be able to get it up actually. So we need data from various sources, and all these data must be matched up. And next comes the data processing. How we are going to process the data what we have received from all these sources, an enormous data. So for that we use some technology called edge computing and also cloud computing and many other also. Now we talk about these two. We can discuss about these two. Edge computing, where we process the data closer to the source. We'll process the data which is going to be closer to the source. What are all the data we are getting? And cloud computing, why we use cloud computing on demand is it is going to be scalable, and it is going to be an on-demand processing. When we talk about scalability, we straight away move on to cloud computing in all possible ways. So when we talk about this data processing, with the data what we have got, we dwell into cloud computing where it is going to help us in various ways. Hope you all with me. Okay. Could I go to the second slide where I'm in now? I'm in second slide. Okay. And next we talk about the data analysis. IoT data analytics framework we are in right now. IoT data analytics framework. So next comes the data analysis. So we have been got all the data, collected all the data, and we have with the edge computing and cloud computing, we have processed all the data. And next, we are trying to analyze from that. What are all the data we have got? We are trying to analyze with the perspective what we have, or the community what we have, we are working on. Based on that, we try to analyze the data. So for that, I have given here only two things which we call of for right, machine learning and deep learning. Why? What is the need to use machine learning? What we suppose is that to predict the outcomes. We have analyzed, processed the data, and from the processed data we are trying to analyze, we are trying to predict the outcomes. What are all the outcomes we have? We are predicting the outcomes. The next slide is IoT data analytics framework. We are in right now data analytics framework, and next comes the deep learning, where the complex pattern recognition. With the collected data, we can do the complex pattern recognition. Possibly we can do with these two giant of our field, we'll be able to check it on. And after analyzing, we are trying to visualize the data. Move on to the next slide, please. Data analytics framework. Move on to the next slide, please. Next comes the data visualization, where we are trying to visualize the data, what we have analyzed, and now we are trying to visualize it. For example, the dashboards, the real-time monitoring, we'll be using to visualize it, and GIS mapping, where the spatial analysis will be done, where we'll be able to visualize data according to the work we are processing. And next, we can discuss about the applications of the IoT data analytics in smart cities, where we have already discussed the intelligent transportation systems and the smart energy management and public safety and security and waste management. And next, we can discuss about the benefits of the IoT data analytics in the smart cities. How it is going to help us with the smart cities. Now the a core topic. How it is going to help us. So it is going to have an improved citizen experience. We, as a citizen, we are going to have an improved experience. We would have been seen this many where some like our ATM, what we have, the kiosk, what we have in the railway stations, which has been done right now in a various effective ways. Way back in before 5 to 10 years, we don't have this much amount of citizen experience. We all would agree, I hope. And nowadays, all the trending topics you would have seen, the tiffin centers. For the tiffin centers, we have the kiosk right now. If we press idli, it will give us, prepare and give us idli with sambar and chutney even. And if we press for dosa, it will prepare and give us that, like that. And in all our restrooms, we have all the types of things for managing pads and the disposal of the pads and many things. And when I go recently, I have visited startup Tamil Nadu, which has been held in Madurai. Hope you would have seen in LinkedIn and other things. Hope, I suppose there they have given an enormous amount of stalls. There people have given their startup ideas, and one stall, many engineering students and colleges, they have hosted. They were there, and right from every nook and corner of India, people has come. The students have assembled there. They have given their ideas, and they have won for that ideas also. Many ideas whom they have participated, they have won also. And in that, I was being my eyes have been kept, and I'm not able to take out my eyes and my brain still now from that idea. What is that? They have done is that what I felt as an exciting one, smart bathrooms, that is smart restrooms. I was thinking, what is that new? The disposal of pads, it came, then giving of pads came. What else? What they are going to do? They are talking about the places where huge amount of population comes and goes. For example, the airport, railway stations, and some lower value also. For example, the bank, hospitals, and schools or whatever. What they do there, making it smart restroom. They are implementing IoT for various things. They have a contract people also for cleaning. It is being done manually, but what they do is that order control system. They have one point like order control system. They are monitoring. It is not going to be irrespective of number of people who get in and come out. Not that. Just an order how to be control it, at what is the a time we need to refill the air purifier over there, and those so that people will not being suffocate or they feel uncomfortable. Order control system is there. And they also do the water controlling system and water monitoring system when we need to fill out the tank without overflowing, when we need to fill out, so that how many people got in and how much amount of water usage also they are calculating. And regarding that, they are asked to switch on and switch off the motor, and they are asked to refill for the order the air freshener. And there's disposable pads also they keep into account with the help of IoT, and the sanitary napkins over there to refill it. And they also monitor about for cleaning time, and they set an alarm. So this is the cleaning time for this particular, not the whole restroom. They divide it. They divide and do this method, and how to clean it up and what is the time to clean it up. They set an alarm with the IoT level, checking it at that this is the time to clean this particular thing, and they call for the person to clean it up. Like this, many ideas for that one particular restroom idea they have. And also another thing they talk about this, the agriculture. They talk about the cotton, various types of cotton. What are the types of uh, uh, insecticides there is a chance for harming them, and they have developed an app where they could chat to all the farmers in their regional language. That is one highlight they have told. It is not only in one particular language. We have made up in many languages, that by which all the farmers all over the India, they will be able to get benefited. What type of insects right now it has been harmed and how to treat it. They give the assistance, and also if they need, they can contact to the a person also, and then expert they can talk and they can get a remedy then and there. It is again one important idea they have showcased over there. Enormous ideas have been showcased. And coming to this, and this IoT, how it is going to benefit the smart cities, it is going to increase the efficiency and productivity. This is again the benefit of the IoT, and it is going to enhance the public safety and security also. Public safety and security matters. I'm in fifth slide. And it is going to have an reduced energy consumption and cost. Energy consumption is going to be reduced, and thereby which, when we reduce the energy consumption, we all will agree that cost also will be reduced. And we can have this IoT for the data driven decision making even. When we need to decide, we need the data. So this data is going to drive us to get up to our decision making properly. And in the sixth slide, challenges and opportunities. Challenges and opportunities regarding this IoT when we try to implement in the smart cities. What are all the challenges we need to face, and also with the opportunity what we have in our hand. We need to face the challenges, we all agree, but what are the opportunities also we have in our hand, we can check it out. This is sixth slide. The data quality and the management, it is going to help us with this data quality and the management, because what are all the data we have, that is going to check up the quality. And with the data only we'll be able to manage our task. And another thing comes the cyber security and our privacy. The data what we have, it should lead with a proper secured manner, and also it should not mess up with anybody's privacy. That also we need to consider. We need to consider about other things which is called as the interoperability and standards. When we need to move our data with all the network, we need to collaborate and we need to work. The interoperability and standards, we need to concentrate more on this area. And next comes the scalability and the sustainability. Scale upping of data, because we need to going to have an enormous data, big data. So scalability and the sustainability of the data, because then and there we'll be having some upgradation of the data. So we need to talk about the sustainability also here again. And collaboration and governance, how we are going to collaborate the data what we have with the existing and also the upcoming, and also how it is going to be helpful with the government. What are all the ways, what are all the protocols we need to follow when we collaborate the data? That also we need to keep in mind, which is going to be the challenges and the opportunity for us when we talk about the smart cities. And next we have the seventh slides, the emerging trends and technologies. What are all the emerging trends right now we have, and the technology right now we have, that by which we can incorporate all this smart city? The seventh slide. So we talk about the artificial intelligence and machine learning, where whatever we do right now, we talk about AI. So AI is trending with the help of all. With this, it is going to be incorporated with machine learning, deep learning, everything. All these comes into existence whenever we talk about the artificial intelligence. They all been through, and we need edge computing. We need to be helpful with the, we need to get the help of fog computing. Seventh slide. And 5G networks and the IoT connectivity, we need to have the, because all our networks, we need to get it to more, because huge amount of data where incorporation also is needed. So 5G networks and IoT connectivity. And what are the other technologies? The blockchain we need, distributed ledger technology we need to make our smart city into a realistic one. We need to incorporate all this. And next comes the AR and VR, the augmented reality and virtual reality. What we are trying to do, we need to virtually see it, that it comes into existence as a smart city. The augmented reality and virtual reality is needed. And next slide, we talk about some of the case studies and the success stories from the next slide onwards. And one of the thing is Barcelona's Smart City Initiative. Actually, many success stories we have, many case studies also we have. Next slide, we can move on. So Barcelona Smart City Initiative. What they do is that they transform their city. They transform their city through this technology. How it is being done? This is one of the case study where they have made their city into a city initiative actually. So the Barcelona Smart City Vision, they actually focus on transforming their city with the technology, with the innovation, and also with the citizen engagement even. The city strategy, it actually include the 22 programs that is going to address their aspects of urban life as their energy efficiency, transportation, public safety. So like this, they have 22 programs with their hand. And some notable initiatives what they have done in the Barcelona smart city is that the city operating system, they call the city OS. It is actually a platform which integrates the data from the various sources so that they can improve their city management, how to operate on. And next, one of the other program is Smart Citizen, where the open data platform, it is going to enable the citizen to participate. They can participate in their urban planning. Next slide, you can move on. The citizen, they can plan for their upcoming things they can do in their city, in their Barcelona city. And next is one more important ideology they have, Barcelona in your pocket, where we carry our cell phones. That is their thing, Barcelona in your pocket. This program, they promote the mobile apps and the services for their citizens. This is one of the success stories and also the case study we can have it on. And next is Singapore Smart Nation Program. That is the next one. Singapore Smart Nation Program, what they do, this initiative, they aim to harness their technology actually, thereby which again, they all, this smart city is only for the citizens to enhance the quality of their life. And what does this program focuses on means, this just some, number one is smart transportation and smart energy, number two, and smart healthcare, number three. Smart transportation, so as we spoke in the introductory level, the transportation is that they optimize the traffic flow and also the public transportation. And regarding smart energy, they promote the energy efficiency and they talk about the renewable energy also. And regarding smart healthcare, all the healthcare outcomes, we need to leverage the technology for that. So that is the Singapore Smart Nation Program. And next, Copenhagen's carbon neutral goals. This is a very important one regarding the environmental sustainability. Actually, Copenhagen, what they do is that they have an aim that to become a carbon neutral. They aim for that by 2025. And some of their smart cities initiative is number one, smart grids. Number two, electric vehicle incentives. Number three, green roof initiatives they have. And talking about the number one, smart grids, they integrate all the renewable energy sources into the power grid actually. That is their idea of smart grids. And when they talk about the electric vehicle incentives, they encourage the citizens to switch to the electric vehicles. Everybody, they wish to have their electric vehicles. They are trying to incorporate them for that. And number three is the green roof initiatives. They promote the green spaces, thereby which they can reduce the urban heat islands. So that is the green roof initiatives. And in Chicago, they have a smart traffic management where they use the real-time data to optimize the traffic flow and also the reduction of the congestion they are trying to have. And India, they have many smart cities mission actually. They are developing, they have an idea to develop 100 smart cities across the country. And what is the mission this India have? Is smart infrastructure, smart transportation, and again the citizen engagement. This is the ideology what they have. That is the smart infrastructure they talk about. I mean, slide number 13. So India Smart Cities Mission, we are trying about the infrastructure where we have the efficient urban infrastructure, a sustainable and efficient urban infrastructure. We talk about the smart transportation where the public transportation will be improved and the traffic management will be improved. And citizen engagement is that where there's every citizen, we are trying to encourage them to participate in the urban planning. And I wish to share some personal experience also. Hope all would have some experience. I'm sharing mine. Slide number 14. So recently, when I visited to Bangalore, what happened is that I have experience of the smart traffic management first in hand. They are using called Bangalore Traffic Police app. They have, so we can navigate through the city. We can avoid the congested roads, wherein we can check it out, and which through which we'll be able to save our time. Actually, traffic is going to be very hectic one, so this app is going to, what they do is that the real time data analytics is happening over there. We can optimize the traffic flow, and also as a citizen we can have the traffic updates then and there where the traffic is right now, so how, what is the possibility to deviate. So this smart city initiative is going to reduce the travel time. We are not going to mess up with the commutators. So all these things is going to be a wonderful experience where I have done. And next, slide number 15. Some quality of life also have been improved. As one of my relative, as a resident of Mumbai, what they have been experiencing is that they have witnessed the transformation of the city's waste management system. Actually, because as we do it in our daily basis, waste management system has to be very much efficient. Hope you all agree. So the Mumbai Smart City Initiative, which has been implemented as a smart waste management system, which is going to use the IoT sensor to monitor the waste level. And also, it is going to optimize the collection routes also, where thereby which when they'll come and take it up, like that. So, what is the result of this? What happened means the cleaner cities, cleaner streets they have, whereby which the disposal issues has been reduced, and public health. We are very much concerned about that. So, public health has been improved. The public health is directly proportional to all our personal health. So that has been improved, and this such initiative they demonstrate how smarter this IoT, which can be help in our smarter cities to improve the overall quality of the life of our citizens, how it could be improving the overall quality. And when we talk about the India, what are all the ideas they have, what are all the things we have is that I give you some introductions of some Indian cities, the smart city projects. In Ahmedabad, they are trying for the smart traffic management system. The project name is Ahmedabad Smart City Intelligent Transportation System, ITS. The objective of this project is they are trying to have, we can move on to the next slide. The objective of this Ahmedabad Smart City Intelligent Transport System is that they are trying to enhance the traffic efficiency and also to reduce the congestion. What are the features they are going to add in it? They have an idea of real-time traffic monitoring, and they have an idea of adaptive traffic signal control even, and intelligent transit management, how to work on it. And they have idea of pedestrian and cyclist friendly infrastructure, because in India we do have the cyclist more still. So they talk about the pedestrian and the cyclist, the friendly infrastructure. I'm in the last slide. Yeah, thank you so much. So how we can adapt into this, and benefits of this project, what could be the benefits? So the travel time will be reduced, and the traffic flow will be improved ultimately, and commuter experience will have been surely it will enhance the commuter experience. And another city we can talk about is Bhopal. In Bhopal, what they are trying to do is that smart parking management system is the idea over there. And the project name they have given is Bhopal Smart City Smart Parking System. What should be the objective? What could be the objective? To streamline the parking and reduce the congestion. So, what all the features they are incorporating over there is real-time parking availability updates. We will be receiving the updates, and the parking fee collection will be automated. And how to navigate over there? The parking navigation will be guided, and they also give an mobile app for the parking reservations. They are developing the mobile app. So finally, how could be benefited means to reduced parking search time, and we'll be having the parking revenue will be increased, and decreased traffic congestion. We are sure of decreasing the parking congestion. And next city, Jaipur. In that, what they are trying to do is smart lighting system. The project name, what they have given is Jaipur Smart City Smart Lighting Initiative. The objective, what they have is to enhance the public safety and also energy efficiency. Public safety is being enhanced here. That is the main objective, and also with that lighting system, smart lighting system, energy efficiency also comes into a vital role. And what are the features they are trying to add upon to achieve this? They are trying to add upon a feature that is LED street lights with the smart controls, and real-time energy consumption monitoring is another feature, and fault detection. If any LED is under fault, automated fault detection, and based on the natural light availability, it has to be adapted. Yeah. So adaptive lighting based on the natural light availability is the next feature. And what are the benefits of all this smart idea is that energy saving and the public safety will be improved, and maintenance cost. Ultimately, when energy is saved, added advantage is the maintenance cost. It will be reduced. And next city, the Pune. In Pune, what they do? Smart waste management system. In Pune Smart City, they have an integrated solid waste management, which is called as ISWM. The objective, and I'm in the final slide. You can stay up in the final slide itself. So the objective is to optimize the waste collection and disposal. What is their objective? To optimize all the waste they have collected, and what are the ways to dispose them or recycle them. It is their objective. And features what they use to achieve all these things. ISWM, integrated solid waste management, is they use an IoT sensors for waste bin monitoring, and they automate all these waste collection routing where they need to collect, and all these ways to energy conversion. They very importantly talk about the energy conversion from the waste. And the citizen has been engaged through their mobile app. They'll be able to know it, and when they need to keep those waste ready. And what are the benefits out of it is the improved waste collection efficiency. That is the main benefit. And waste disposal cost is being reduced drastically, and the community participation, where as a people, as a citizen, we have an enhanced community participation. And one more last example is Surat. In Surat, they go for the smart city surveillance system. That is their project name. Surat Smart City, Safe City Surveillance. What is their objective is to enhance the public safety and security. And the features what they have is that CCTV cameras along with the analytics, that is an added value, and real time monitoring and alert system they have, facial recognition, and for the objects they have the object detection. And not only surveillance, they have integrated with the emergency services. They have integrated with the emergency services. What is going to be the benefit out of it means improved crime detection and prevention, because they have done all these things. And public safety is being enhanced here, and quick response to the emergency we can have, because everything is being monitored then and there, so that we can have a quick response to all the emergencies we are going to cross upon, and how we are going to address them, that we can have in an good, then and there we can work on it. And in what else I need to cross upon is regarding Delhi. The Delhi government, they have a smart city project for the sustainable urban ecosystem. The Delhi Intelligent Transportation System is the initiative, as by which the public transportation mode will be integrated, making the commuting easier and also more efficient. That we are looking into the Delhi project. And they talk about the Chennai also, which is called as Chennai Smart City app, which is going to provide the citizens to access all the municipal services they have. What are the municipal service and how to access them, and that includes the waste management, parking, and also grievance will be grievance redressal also is given in that app. And in Hyderabad, we have Hyderabad Metropolitan Water Supply and Sewage Board Smart Water Management System, where this IoT has been, the sensors has been used to monitor the water supply, detect the leaks then and there, and to optimize the distribution of the water, ensuring there is an equitable water distribution everywhere. They are trying to ensure the water distribution in all the places where they are trying to distribute it. And we have some more ideas, which is the future of the cities, as we have told, is not just about the technology, but also it is trying to give a better quality of life. And smart cities are going to be the nervous system of the modern urbanization. I hope we all agree to that. It is actually the nervous system of the modern urbanization, what we are in right now. And just as the internet has transformed our industries, this IoT data analytics, which is going to revolutionize our urban planning actually. And smart cities are like a well, where we have orchestrated symphony with all the data analytics as a conductor. What we have, it is about that we are going to have a smart cities or like a well. And with this, I'm trying to conclude that this is the scenario what we are in right now, where every nook and corner cities, the India is having a smart city plan, and we have a Smart India hackathon also every year going on, and students are placing many ideas, and we learned professor work with them with their ideas. We put upon many ideas with the Smart India hackathon. And as of now, I'm done, and we shall start discussing, I hope. And it is over to the organizers.
Yes, ma'am.
We can open the session to the learned professors and scholars to discuss our ideas, our thought provoking things.
Okay, ma'am.
Learned professors and scholars, could you can also help me with my ideas and we can reciprocate. Thank you, Ashwati.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so
It is
much
very
for your
informative.
appreciation. It motivates me more.
Ma'am, Gayatri, ma'am.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
Uh, shall we wind up the class or is there any doubt?
Yes, ma'am, we can wind up. Thank you all, learned professor and scholars, for sparing your valuable time with me. Thank you, one and all. And I wish to have a heartfelt thanks to the administration and also to the organizers. Thank you all.
Thank you, ma'am. It was a very wonderful session, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Uh, I request dear professors to tomorrow also will be joining in the same link and feedback will be sent to your through mail ID. Thank you all.